As earlier we have studied this the different way and the primary way principle of prevention of the disease. There are different types of diseases available in the whole ecosystems, but whole ecosystems are surrounding it's in our environments because the increasing populations and the dirtiness, and also the science are developing too much else and providing such as of facilities. These facilities also have a bad effect in opposite side because we know that there are two sides of the any coins, and each coins have if we are seeing the positive sides, the negative side will also make itself just like that. So here is the method of the prevention of disease. We have studied the first method of the prevention, the general way of the prevention, preventing the infectious disease. And now we will study the specific way of preventing the specific way of the preventing infectious disease. Okay, so here we will study the specific way of preventing infectious disease. So here is the headings we have written here. So a specific way of preventing the infectious disease is specific. So it included adapting the practice of immunizations. It included adopting the practice of immunization. So first of all, we will try to understand immunizations. What is immunizations? Immunization. Suppose that steps we will start here these immunizations. So how we will say that immunizations. So when the immune systems first see the infections, when the immune system first sees the infectious disease, first see the infectious disease, infectious disease or microbes, it respond against it. Okay, are microbes. So it's microbes. It's respond against it. Okay, what does response? Response means that and then remember it specifically. Okay, response means that after responding, remember it and remember it in specifically way. Okay, why it keeps in the memory what was the disease in this period of time, so then remember this disease. So the next times of when that that particular microbes means that's when and when next and when next times. Okay, next times that particular microbes, that particular microbes, what will that particular microbes enter in bodies and infect microbes are its close relatives, maybe are its close relatives. Okay, close relative infect our body or come in our body or enter in the body or enter in the body. Okay, when the close relatives are same types of disease enter in a body, then the immune systems automatically is respond with these microbes. So then the immune system automatically respond to so against this microbes. Okay, against these microbes. So then what happens against these microbes? The response against its immune systems automatically is response with these microbes in visors, in major vigors, means that's a very greater vigors, greater vigors. Okay, greater vigors is very powerfully, and then say it and it means that it's therefore after what happens vigors and prevent it eliminates the infectious microbes okay more. So what happens means that it prevent the infectious microbes. What does it's an infectious microbes means that prevent infectious microbes. Then what happened the infectious microbes after preventing these infectious microbes? So the more quality so infectious infectious more quality than the first time times seen, more more quality and quantity than the first times seen, means that first times seen. Okay, first time say it's seen and work against it. Then after the more infectious disease has happened, then first times arounds seen arounds. Okay, seen arounds. So these are the process and this is the basic principle of immunizations, means that is why we can say that this is the basic, this is the basic principles of immunizations. First, if we are talking about the different types of immunizations, smallpox in the previous times, 100 years before, so we have seen that these infectious disease means that smallpox attack on a group of the peoples and remain in it is, and after the formations of the vaccines of the smallpox, we are looking and watching that it's remembered these infectious disease, and now today it's a completely found that there was no such types of disease is spreading here, because already the vaccinations are done. So these vaccinations have a microbes that already remembered the previous microbes, and when it's happen in our body or sometimes and infect our body, infect in bodies, the remembering part remember and recall it's that it's the same types of disease and the response against it with vigor manners, and also prevent the infections of these diseases, and this types of disease does not infect our body, and because of the immunization. These are the immunizations. Okay, thank you, bye bye.